Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Kyoto. Getting around Kyoto is surprisingly easy once you understand the basics. The city boasts an efficient network of buses and subways, perfect for reaching all the amazing sights. Using an IC card or a day pass will make your journey smooth and stress-free. Plus, with a little help from your smartphone, you'll be navigating like a local in no time. For the easiest way to pay, grab an ICOCA card. You can buy and load these convenient cards at most major train and subway stations. Simply tap your card on the reader when you enter and exit a station or bus, and the fare is automatically deducted. It's a seamless way to travel without fumbling for cash, and these cards are accepted across various transport options. Kyoto's buses are fantastic for reaching temples and shrines, while the subway is ideal for quicker, longer journeys. Google Maps is your best friend here, providing real-time routes and schedules. Remember, on buses, you typically enter from the back and pay a flat fare of around 230 yen when exiting the front. For subways, fares vary by distance, and you tap your IC card at the gates. To make your trip even smoother, consider a one-day bus pass if you plan many rides. It offers unlimited travel within the flat fare zone. Try to avoid peak rush hours, usually between 7:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. for a more comfortable experience. Also, remember to stand on the left on escalators and be aware of local etiquette, like keeping conversations quiet. Enjoy your travels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.